What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. We're in the heart of Port of Spain at Fanatic Kitchen Studios tonight. Food event, Fanatic. Let's see what you guys have to offer, you know. Let's go inside, yeah? How do we get in? Oh. I guess you push. Hi. How you doing, man? What chef is in the middle of doing is a potato dish. And he's gonna go in with some nice. Oh, lady. Pimento pepper is your favorite.
Pimento peppers, we have a lot.
Lots.
Some of them it's spicy these days, but it's real spicy.
I found a green one last night to be very spicy.
Yeah. Crossbreed.
I'm gonna jump across.
Yeah, come through.
Come through here. And we've got some steaks. Looks like New York strip loin. Looks like a flank or skirt over there. We've got a, was that a flank?
That's a flank, yeah.
Flank. And that's just New York strip, right?
No, this is actually a picanha.
Picanha? I've never heard that cut before.
Yeah, it's culotte. The sirloin cup.
Okay.
When you slice it a certain way, the Brazilian slices a certain way, you get a picanha.
A picanha.
I actually sous vide this.
We did?
Yeah. I sous vide this.
She loves it, yeah.
And then I just grill it off nicely. It's gonna come out nice medium rare.
Okay.
And I'm serving it with demi glaze and the chimichurri, the one that reduced too much.
Okay.
Yeah. So we just want to get some nice color on this flank. We don't want to do cook up at all. Look at that.
Oh. Because was the flank sous vide as well, or is just
the flank? This is the picanha was sous vide.
Picanha.
A little fire on that there. Nice.
Oh. We got that nice special effect.
Yeah, you gotta get that smoke.
Chef is giving you all kind of niceness there. Look at that.
Big one. Yeah, big one. No egg or anything like that to bind it, just breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
And you have to cook the eggplant first. The eggplant comes out nice and mushy.
Yeah.
Cool together.
So what chef is saying, he's catering for a vegan table. So these here are eggplant meatballs. Be interested to see how they turn out. So what are we having?
I'm gonna get the shrimp.
The steamed shrimp, chilled large shrimp. House green on the cocktail sauce.
Got it.
Okay.
And then are we gonna try the sirloin? Or,
We are, yeah.
I don't know, these lamb meatballs.
Lamb?
A little bit of
That's chimichurri, right?
Yeah, just a little touch. You don't want to kill it. Nice, good.
That's beautiful. And that's more of that chimichurri, right?
More of chimichurri.
What's the first sauce you have on there?
That's a roasted garlic aioli.
A garlic aioli.
Yeah. This is another test now. We're gonna have. We just taking the cabbage and utilizing it for the tortilla.
Yeah.
Swapping it out a little bit, and then we're gonna have some crispy tortillas on top of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just a little twist. And if it is they don't like it, they don't have to use it. The radish is very quintessential in all of the different dishes, but I like to use it because of the color and the little crunch there is to it.
Yeah, then get that texture on it.
Yeah. Once you cut it right as well. Just then.
We're starting off with the shrimp cocktail, made in front of our eyes, freshly poached shrimp. Everything is, nice and fresh. Yeah, I said that already, but yeah, it was chilled right after, right?
Chicken. All right.
Well, YouTube, she couldn't wait. Just give me a couple minutes just to show you guys first. You go, girl. You kill that steak. What to do with the little beans and everything too. We're trying to fool the little beans. You know it's a steak you're going after. The steak was sous vide first, then it was fire grilled over there. Chef is just busy working. Topped with a chimichurri, a demi glaze, with a carrot and ginger puree on the bottom. And we have some green beans. Have you tried it yet?
I tried the puree.
Nice.
Yes.
chasing.
Some chocolate, well, what we call
Try
cocoa
it.
powder.
Try it.
Barbecue wings. Immediately following that awesome steak there, chef is allowing us to try his eggplant meatball, or bacon, as we call it here, meatballs. It's a sexy little dish for it. There's some ground cumin, some cumin in there. Keep quiet. We're trying to sell out chef right now. Any man, personal business. These are the fish cakes. There's a slight smoked salmon in there as well too. Well, folks, the last thing for the night. We've got here the flank steak, a little bit of chimichurri, garlic aioli, in cabbage and blanched cabbage here. It's sort of a take on a taco, I guess, but topped with some radishes. And the space here is quite lovely. And they do team building and private events. There's a little bar here we get our martinis from. No, we're stuffed, chef.